Hello guys, we're back again. Take these headlights off. We're going to try to get these parts sanded down today. Get ready to paint the shop truck. This is the parts. We're going to be using the 320 sandpaper here because they ain't too bad. We just want to scrub it up where the paint is stuck. notice right there in these spots right here, like this right here, is where there's some light Bondo put in it. That's roughly in real time what it takes you to sand down fender, roughly. But it's gonna take a little more, but I know you don't want to watch all that. So I'm gonna stop this right now and work on this, and I'll show you some later. Hey guys, we're back again. We're gonna take this right here and hit all the, see the shiny parts where the metal's showing. We're gonna use this. It's not really cheap, but it's Rustella. We're gonna hit all the light spots, bright spots first with this, and kind of just so it don't rust too much. We're going to use it as a primer because it's a lot cheaper than a primer. Notice we ain't trying to cover it. We're going to use it as a skim coat too, so we can tell if we got blemishes when we sand it again, and it will keep it from rusting. You want to cover up all the spots, metal, and your dents if you think you see any dents. So when you sand it again, I'm going to lightly hit all of it. I'm going to use it as a guide coat. See where our dents are. You're not trying to cover it or nothing, you're just trying to get it in there, find your high and low spots. Make sure you cover up all the metal spots, bare metal. There's some previous Bondo there, so I'm going to spray that pretty heavy. Because you don't want nobody else's work coming out to bite you. There we go, we'll let that dry, then we'll lightly sand it again and see where our high and low spots are. And make sure we cover, I see some metals. We want all the metal covered, shiny metal. bare metal covered so it won't rust. And as we sand it again, if we get any more shiny spots, we'll do the same. Be right back.